Just 2 weeks ago, this Instagram creator was posting random videos and barely hitting 10,000 views on a good day. Then they stumbled onto a strange idea. Grainy black and white security camera videos of animals doing impossible things. Suddenly, their views exploded. One clip pulled 19 million, another over 8 million, and now nearly every post is pulling massive numbers. And it's not just Instagram. Over on TikTok, another account is riding the exact same wave. Surreal CCTV-style footage of dolphins bouncing on trampolines, kangaroos lurking in backyards, hamsters staring into the lens like they know something you don't. These videos look like cursed found footage from another dimension, and people cannot scroll past them. This is more than a trend. It's a niche that's about to go nuclear. Right now, barely anyone knows how to make them, which means the opportunity is wide open. But once everyone catches on, your content will be lost in the noise. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral security camera animal videos, step by step, so you can jump in now while the gold rush is still on. I'm going to show you 3 completely free ways to make these surreal, creepy, can't look away security camera videos. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and welcome to Reach Mora, where we turn crazy ideas into crazy views. Let's get started. All right, Francis, let's start where all great weirdness begins, with the ideas. And for that, we're heading straight to ChatGPT. Now, I've already written the perfect prompt for this, and I've dropped it in the description, so you can literally just copy and paste. This magic sentence will make ChatGPT spit out 5 completely bizarre, totally surreal security camera scenes. Hit enter, and in a few seconds, bam, you've got 5 nightmare fuel ideas ready to go viral. I'm talking giant flamingos in laundromats, kangaroos lurking in grocery store aisles, tortoises climbing out of ceiling tiles, stuff that makes people go, wait, what did I just watch? Now grab the very first scene description you get. Don't overthink it. We're not making the Mona Lisa here. We're making scroll stoppers. Copy it, because next, we're turning that text into your very first viral video. Method 1, Google VO3, the heavy hitter. All right, first up, Google VO3. Here's how to run it. Head over to the Gemini website. This is like the Ferrari of free AI video generators. It's powerful, super realistic, but also a little tricky to get into. If you haven't grabbed your free 1-year trial of VO3 yet, do me a favor. Hit that like button and drop a comment saying VO3 tutorial so I know to make a full video on how to get access. Trust me, it's worth it. Once you're in, click the Here button to select VO3. You'll see a text box. Paste in that creepy scene description we got from ChatGPT, hit enter, and then wait a couple of minutes. For my test, the result looked like found footage from a parallel universe. Lighting, the shadows, the subtle movements, pure nightmare fuel in the best way possible. That's method 1. Fast forward to the next one, because this time we're going even quicker. Method 2, Google VEO2. Fast and accessible. All right. Google VEO2. Think of this one as VEO3's little brother, not quite as powerful, but way faster and way easier to access. You don't need special invites, secret trials, or any hoops to jump through. If you've got a Gmail account, you're in. Here's the play. Open Google, type AI Studio, and click the first link that pops up. Once you're inside, look for the Generate Media tab and select VEO. Yep, this is VEO2. Paste that exact same creepy scene description we used for VEO3, hit enter, and boom. You'll have your video in way less time. For my test, I used the same flamingo laundromat scene. It's still good enough to make people stop scrolling. The one thing it doesn't nail is the sound. So if you want those eerie hums, the glitchy camera static, or that unsettling footsteps in the distance vibe, you'll need to add sound effects later in editing. Method 3, Digen AI in the final showdown. All right, last but definitely not least, Digen AI. And yes, it's totally free. I've already done a full deep dive on this tool in a previous tutorial, so if you want the step-by-step breakdown, the link's in the description. Hit create, and before you can make a video, you'll need an image. Scroll down and click on the free image generator. Paste in that same scene description. I'm keeping mine vertical because it works great for TikTok and Reels. And hit enter. In a few seconds, you'll get 4 different images for the same scene. Pick your favorite, the one that really nails that creepy, this should not exist vibe. Next, click make a video. Paste your video prompt. It can be the same description. Hit generate video and then wait. It's slower than VEO3 and VEO2, but when it's done, you've got something good. For a fair comparison, I ran a second test with a new scene. A dim-lit office hallway captures a massive tortoise halfway out of a ceiling tile. VEO3 crushed it with insane realism. VEO2 was faster but simpler. and Digen gave me a more stylized, cinematic version. Bottom line, if you want speed, go VEO 2. If you want detail, VEO 3. And if you want control, Digen AI. That's it for today's tutorial. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and see you in the next one.